We've got Ninja stretched out on water now. We're going to introduce the next concept, which is getting out on land on the other side. Every duck's not going to fall in the pond or in the field you're in. So we've got a helper out here, going to introduce that. We're going to have her throw one up on land, and I've got my help out there in case the puppy needs it. Sit. Let's see what she does.
Hey, hey.
Ninja. Now my assistant out there's got another bumper. If the dog breaks down, turns around, does anything, she's gonna help. This dog's not handling yet. Now the training is on her. I can do nothing with this dog right now. If she gets lost or whatever, we'll have Crystal help. Good girl. Good. Here. Come here. Here. Good girl. Good girl. I did not want her cheating the bank running back, so I kind of moved this way to help simplify, to get her back in the water. I was just changing the angle a little bit, trying to get her in the water quicker. Good girl. Good girl. Here. Heel. Come here. Here. Sit. Good. Yeah. Good. Come here. Sit. That was pretty successful there. She swam all the way across the pond, got out, got the bumper, and got back in. That's all we were looking for out of a young pup.